How to delete your YouTube account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your YouTube application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on Google account. Now go to data and privacy. Now scroll down a bit. Under download or delete your data, you will find an option for delete or Google service. Tap on it. Now enter your password. Now next to YouTube, tap on delete. Now select I want to permanently delete my content and tap on delete my content. Now enter your email address and tap on delete my content to permanently delete your YouTube account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.